Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options guy and welcome back to today's video. And if we see Nifty moving up very good, but before that there was volatility and Bank Nifty moving up but still with a lot of volatility. If you see, we opened with a gap down, we recovered and definitely made very good moves, and then we completely did an A-shaped fall over here and then a V-shaped recovery. So definitely a lot of volatility in the market, and it is expected because the budget is just around the corner, and we are also going to talk about the budget in the coming weeks analysis, basically the video that comes out on Monday and also on my podcast. In this week's episode, I'm going to tell you what you can expect from the budget and what you can also do on the budget day. So with that out of the question, what can we do for tomorrow? Let's first talk about that. Now, Bank Nifty, if you see, is near a breakout level. It still hasn't broken out as compared to Nifty, because Nifty has already broken out above this level. Actually, not even above this level, but rather about 24,400, right? Above this level, Nifty has already broken out and it is starting to move up pretty high, right? So now what we should do is, first of all, reduce our quantity. Any sort of index, be it Nifty, Bank Nifty, do not go aggressive at least until the budget is done. Sure, you might think that the budget comes once in a year and it is an opportunity, but you have to understand that even that opportunity can give you a loss, and if you try to go too aggressive, you can get a much bigger loss than you would have expected. So do not try to be a hero and go with full quantity even in this type of environment. Rather save your capital. We will think about taking good trades, because anyways after budget we are going to get a very good trending market, right? Either on the upside or on the downside. But so and so that's why do not try to go very aggressive as of now. When you're trying to trade in the news, you are only just trying out your luck, and if luck is not in your side, you can face very big losses, right? So do not try to be a hero over here. Just accept the market that it is pretty volatile and don't go very aggressive. So let's first talk about Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty looks pretty interesting. Now the breakout level for Bank Nifty is 52,800. So if there will be a lot of move, I think both of the indices can now move on the upside, Nifty and also Bank Nifty, because Nifty is at a point and Nifty has made such price action that it looks like 25,000 can come very fast, and that maybe we might wait over there until the budget is done. So for Bank Nifty, 52,800, very very important level. And if you see, market again and again and again taking resistance from there, but today the market has closed pretty close to 52,800, right? So what we can do tomorrow is going to be very simple. Let the market break 52,800 first of all. Now if you say 52,800 to, you can say 780 or 750 is a very, you know it's a very obvious zone for everyone, and everyone is looking at these zones. So if the market goes up the first time over here, maybe the market might come back down again below 52,750 to show everyone that it is a breakout failure, right? Because when there are very obvious levels, they sometimes do not tend to work. And so what market might do is that market might go above 50 to 800, come back down again near 50 to 700, or any just below this resistance. And I'm actually going to draw it for you guys, because I don't know, I had drawn it but it went away. But still, let's just draw it for, yeah. If you see, the market might break this resistance, come back down below this resistance again, and the second time that the market is trying to go above this resistance, that is when we will go ahead and take a bullish trade. Because at that time a lot of people will not think about taking a bullish trade. Maybe lesser people will think about taking a bullish trade as compared to the first time, because a lot of people would have taken a bullish trade the first time, they would hit their stop losses over here, and then they will not think about taking a bullish trade. The second time is where we will go ahead and take a bullish trade. Once the market is breaking 50 to 800 the second time, that is when we will go ahead and take a bullish trade. Target will be 53,100 on the upside, that will be first target, and 53,200 on the upside. I would recommend, please do not keep very big targets because of the budget. You can see V-shaped moves like this, or very sharp moves like this tomorrow also. Please do not think that these moves are over and all that stuff. Even if they are over, even if the market moves up, it is fine, but we will not go aggressive all the time. Rather be a little less aggressive in this type of volatility environment, and then when the budget is done, that is when we can go very aggressive on the market, because then we will get a very good trending move either on the upside or on the downside, right? So that is the analysis on the upside for bank nifty. If we open flat and then cross it, that is fine. If we open with a gap up, let's say above 50 to 800, that is also fine, because then if the market is coming down below 50 to 800 and then breaking out again above 50 to 800, even then we can go ahead and take a bullish trade. That is also fine. It will be the same thing, right? So that is for bank nifty. At lower levels, we should not open with a very big gap down below 52,400, because if we again open below 52,400, then what will happen is that we'll be stuck in this range, and then again the same 51,900 to 52,000 will become the level that needs to be watched out for. So again, this level, what market will try to do is at least come down till this level and then take support and then again move up and be in this range only. Because what you need to understand is that people would not want to move the market in a big way before the budget itself. The market most of the times will move on the budget day itself and by a very good margin, right? Sure, last year we didn't see a lot of momentum, but this year we might see a lot of momentum, because we might see very big reforms also coming in the reforms also coming by the government, and so we can see a lot of momentum on the budget day itself. So what the market might do is market might just consolidate over here for that time and then do some sort of momentum on the budget day. So that is what you can do in bank nifty. Now let's talk about nifty. If you see, again has broken out about 24,660 today, you can say. So now this level will again be pretty important, 660 to 620. This is the zone which we need to look out for if the market gives a good enough dip, because market has closed near 24,800. So that zone is still like at least 140 points away from us. So if the market comes near this zone, we can then think about taking a bullish trade. However, that is a zone which is a bit too far away. So the closer zone that needs to be watched out for is 24,700 area, 24,700 to 720, you can say. In this area, if the market comes tomorrow, let's say market opens with a slight gap down 30-40 points and comes near 24,700 and all these levels, we can again think about taking a bullish trade from this level itself. First target will be 24,820, and once 24,820 is broken, that is when you can keep open targets all the way up till 24,980 also. Why am I saying so is because the way Nifty has closed today's candle, it looks like Nifty might do a straight run till 25,000 and then take some sort of a resistance. Maybe not even take resistance from 25,000 itself, but still we will keep our targets near 25,000, not go completely aggressive until and unless the budget is over, right? I hope you guys understand my point. If we open somehow flat, and then if we open flat and start crossing 24,830, 820, then also we can go ahead and take a bullish trade. But keep one thing in mind is that keep your stop loss tight over here. Why? Because if the market has to move up from here, it will move up very fast from here. It will not come back down again to take your stop loss and then go up, but it will move up very fast from here. So you can take a bullish trade about 24,830, but keep in mind that keep your quantity a bit less, and then also keep your what you can say, also keep your stop loss very tight, because if the market has to move up from here, it will move up very fast, right? Now, one thing that should not happen tomorrow is we should not open with a gap down, with all the way, gap down below 24,680. If you open with a gap down below 24,680 and start sustaining over there, that is the important point, start sustaining over there, then very well we might see a range bound day again in Nifty also, because we've opened with a gap down, a lot of people would get stuck over here. So as we move higher, we might again take resistance and come down. So then we might see a bit of a, you can say, range bound day, and then it is better to not trade tomorrow. It is fine. We will then think about taking a trade on Monday or on Tuesday, right? So only if the conditions are perfect in Nifty or Bank Nifty will we take a bullish trade. However, if the conditions are not perfect, then we will not take any sort of a trade, right? And if you open with the gap down and the zone that I said, which was this zone, if the market comes near this zone, you can think about taking a trade. But again, keep in mind that volatility will be pretty high. If the market opens flat and then starts to come down near this zone, then what will happen is that volatility will not be as high, because then people are getting a chance to take an exit from the market if they've held bullish positions. So you need to understand how exactly the market will react in different scenarios on the same levels, right? So I hope that is very clear. And yeah, guys, that was it for today. And thank you very much for watching till the end. Even if you want to skip trading tomorrow, that is fine, because again, things will be pretty volatile. You can expect these types of moves tomorrow also. So book your profits fast, at least for the next two trading sessions, and then or at least for the next 3 to 4 trading sessions, and then we will think about holding for a big target either on the upside or on the downside. So yeah, that was it for today, and thank you very much for watching till the end. I'll see you guys tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.